Hello everyone, welcome back to my tantalizing bites. It was a very busy working morning for me. I did not get any time to have breakfast, not even a cup of tea. So what I'm gonna do now, it's almost lunchtime, and since I didn't have any breakfast and I'm very hungry right now, I am gonna make myself a hearty, cheesy veggie egg sandwich. I am going to show you how I make it, and I'm actually going to share half of it with you. So you want to come with me into my backyard, and we're going to cook outside because the weather is really nice today, and I really enjoy being outdoors when the weather is pleasant. So come with me. We're going to start off by chopping up a little bit of an onion, and then we're going to chop some mushrooms. I'm just using 2. You can use as many as you'd like. Then I'm going to chop up a couple of broccoli florets and a serrano pepper, but you can use jalapeno if you prefer. I had a baby spinach in my fridge, so I'm going to use some of that, and then I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes, some garlic minced up, and I'm going to add a little bit of oil into my pan. We're going to toss in all of our veggies and cook them on high heat for just about a minute until they wilt down a little bit. Then I'm just going to season with just a little pinch of salt. You can also add some pepper if you'd like to, and mix that up really well. Whisk up an egg or 2. I'm just using 1, but you can use up to 2 eggs in this. And I added some salt and red chili flakes. You can add black pepper, oregano, whatever you'd like. Add your egg to the vegetables and give it a stir. You just want to mix it up just gently. Don't overcook the eggs at all. And just mix it up, keep it in the center because we are going to top it with bread. We're going to put some cheese on top of this. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. I'm using cheddar cheese. You can use mozzarella, provolone, any type. And then your favorite bread goes on top. Now I'm generously going to slather some butter on top of my bread. Now very carefully you're going to flip this over to the other side so the bread can get nice and toasty. Now just fold this over so that you have a sandwich. Press down so that it just comes together really nicely. Just make sure both of your sides are toasted to perfection. And this delicious sandwich is ready to be served. I am going to share half of mine with you just as promised. Look at that cheesy goodness. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you like this sandwich. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Until next time, bye-bye.